Handling tough situations requires careful word choice to keep conversations calm and professional. Today, we're sharing 10 words that will make you sound more diplomatic in tough situations so you can navigate challenges with confidence and tact. Let's get started. Understand. Meaning, acknowledges the other person's viewpoint without necessarily agreeing. In a sentence, I understand your concerns and appreciate you bringing them up. Why it's effective. It shows empathy and respect, helping to de-escalate conflicts. Concern. Meaning, a neutral way to express an issue without sounding confrontational. In a sentence, one concern I have is ensuring we meet our deadline effectively. Why it's effective. It frames disagreements as constructive discussions rather than direct criticism. Perspective. Meaning, a way of recognizing different viewpoints. In a sentence, I appreciate your perspective and would like to find common ground. Why it's effective. It promotes open-mindedness and helps keep discussions civil and solution-oriented. Consider. Meaning, encourages thoughtful reflection without sounding forceful. In a sentence, would you consider an alternative approach that benefits both sides? Why it's effective. It sounds collaborative rather than demanding, making it easier to reach agreements. Clarify. Meaning, requests further explanation without sounding accusatory. In a sentence, could you clarify what you mean by that so we're on the same page? Why it's effective. It ensures mutual understanding and keeps conversations productive. Acknowledge. Meaning, to recognize or accept a situation or concern. In a sentence, I acknowledge that this is a challenging issue, and I appreciate your patience. Why it's diplomatic. It shows understanding without immediately taking sides. Align. Meaning, to bring ideas, perspectives, or goals into agreement. In a sentence, let's align our expectations to ensure a smooth collaboration. Why it's diplomatic. It promotes unity and cooperation in challenging discussions. Re-evaluate. Meaning, to review or reconsider a decision or approach. In a sentence, given the new developments, we may need to re-evaluate our strategy. Why it's diplomatic. It allows for reconsideration without assigning fault. Mitigate. Meaning, to reduce the impact of a problem or difficulty. In a sentence, we are taking steps to mitigate any potential risks involved. Why it's diplomatic. It focuses on solutions rather than dwelling on the issue. Diplomatically. Meaning, in a way that is tactful and avoids unnecessary conflict. In a sentence, we should address this concern diplomatically to maintain a positive dialogue. Why it's diplomatic. It reinforces the importance of handling sensitive matters with care. Quick tip. In tough situations, diplomacy is about balancing honesty with tact. Using thoughtful language can help de-escalate tension and foster productive discussions.